Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later. On the application of CapCut, we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you search about CapCut and we click. Then we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store and you can update your app to fix that problem here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your